Is an official assignment given by MERI College, affiliated by IP University, and my name is Mansi Mishra of BBA second semester. This is my business communication assignment, and the topic of my presentation is body posture and body orientation is important while appearing for an interview. So let's know that what is body posture actually. Okay, basically it is a non-verbal communication which helps in expressing our feelings, our messages more effectively while doing some gestures and signs through hands and different part of the bodies. Okay, so let's know that how it helps while giving a interview. Okay, there are many body languages or body gestures which may create positive messages also and negative messages also. So we always have to keep in mind that we should acquire a positive body language, positive body attitude and gestures which may create a good impression in front of the interviewer. We should never acquire negative actions and negative gestures because it may create a possibility of rejection in interview. Okay, a very first thing we should keep in mind that while giving an interview we should never do such actions which may irritate or annoy the interviewer. For example, many of people what they do that they play with the pen, play with their shirts button, scratches their heads unnecessarily and rub their faces. It may create a feeling of irritation and may annoy the interviewer, and which may create a possibility of rejection. Okay, so we should always keep in mind that while giving an interview we should never do such kind of actions. Okay, next we'll talk about various positive things we should always keep in mind while giving an interview. Okay, very first thing we should keep in mind that while giving an interview the very first thing is shaking hand with the interviewer. So it should be done in a very proper way. Okay, as we all know that when we enter to the room, the very first thing what we do is shake hand with the interviewer. Okay, so we can say that it is the very first impression, it gives the very first impression of us, so it must be very effective, very proper and very positive. So we should always keep in mind that while shaking our hands, our hand should never be loose. Okay, because it may create a very negative attitude in front of the interviewer. While shaking hands, our hands should be very stiff. In a very proper way we should shake our hands. Okay, next we should keep in mind that we should always maintain a proper eye contact with the interviewer. As we all know that the one who do not contact their eyes create an impression of nervousness, lack of self confidence, and that shows lack of enthusiastic attitude. Okay, but the one who maintain a proper eye contact with the interviewer may create an impression of confident woman or a confident man, enthusiastic person, or a very positive impression in front of the interviewer. So we should always keep in mind that we should maintain a proper eye contact with the interviewer while giving any answers or while listening anything what interviewer is saying. Okay, next is smile when you mean it. As we all know that smiling is a very positive gesture, right? It shows a very positive attitude in front of the observer. So while giving an interview, if a person keep smiling in the interview, it shows a very positive attitude in front of the interviewer. A business firm always welcome a person who has a very positive attitude, a very joyful attitude, because it may create a very positive environment in a particular firm. So while giving an interview we should always keep in mind that our face should be very presentable and with a very beautiful smile. Okay, it may create a positive impression in front of the interviewer. Okay, so next is be mindful of personal space. We should always keep in mind that while giving an interview there should be a proper gap between you and the interviewer who is sitting in front of you. As gap create a feeling and environment of comfortability. If you do not create a proper gap between you two, it may create a feeling of uncomfortability in the interviewer. Okay, but many of us do not follow it. We sit very close to the person who is sitting in front of us, which may create a very bad impact of us. So we should always keep in mind that while giving an interview, we should always maintain a proper gap between two. Okay, so these were the basics we should keep in mind. Now I'll tell you that majority of impression is based upon body language. As you can see on the screen that 7% is based upon spoken words, 38% is based on tone of voice, but 55% of impression is based upon the body language, that how we are carrying ourselves while giving an interview. So we should always keep in mind that while giving an interview, we should have a very positive body language. Okay, next we'll discuss, as we have discussed the do's or the action we should keep in mind while giving an interview. Now I'll give a quick sum up of what we should not do while giving an interview. Okay, so the very first thing we should keep in mind that we should not twiddle or give facial contact with hands. Okay, we should never touch our face on a regular basis while giving an interview. Okay, we should never cross and lock our hands together, as it shows the very unwelcome nature of us, that whatever the interviewer is saying to us is not acceptable to us. It shows these kind of messages to the person who is sitting in front of us. Okay, maintain continuous eye contact. Okay, we should maintain a proper eye contact, but we should never maintain a continuous eye contact, as it create a feeling of uncomfortability in the person who is sitting in front of us. Okay, next and the last is fiercely nodding and expressing disagreement. Okay, we should never show such gesture which may create an environment of disagreement in us, as the interviewer will not accept that the person who is giving the interview may disagree with the points which is being advised to the person. Okay, so we should always show attitude which shows that we are agreeing to what the interviewer is saying. Okay, that's all. I hope you like the video. Thank you and have a nice day.